Amazing fenugreek benefits every woman should know. Hormonal balance. Fenugreek is known for its ability to support hormonal balance in women, particularly during menstruation and menopause. The plant contains compounds called phytoestrogens, which mimic estrogen in the body. This can help alleviate symptoms like hot flashes and irregular periods. Additionally, fenugreek may support reproductive health by regulating menstrual cycles. Women experiencing hormonal imbalances can benefit from including fenugreek in their diet. Improves breast milk production. Fenugreek is often used as a natural remedy to boost lactation in breastfeeding mothers. The seeds contain digestion, which has been shown to promote milk production. Many women turn to fenugreek supplements or tea to increase milk supply, especially in the early stages of breastfeeding. It's believed to help stimulate sweat glands, which are linked to milk production. Always consult a healthcare provider before using fenugreek for lactation purposes. Supports digestive health. Fenugreek is rich in fiber, which helps support digestive health by improving bowel regularity. It can alleviate common digestive issues like constipation and bloating. The fiber in fenugreek seeds helps to bulk up stool and promote smooth digestion. Additionally, fenugreek has been shown to soothe inflammation in the digestive tract, which can be helpful for women with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Regular consumption may promote better overall gut health. Promotes healthy skin. Fenugreek is often used in natural skincare due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help treat acne, eczema, and other skin conditions by reducing redness and swelling. The seeds contain vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin and promote a healthy glow. Additionally, fenugreek's antimicrobial properties can help prevent skin infections. Applying fenugreek paste topically can soothe irritated skin and speed up the healing of minor wounds. Regulates blood sugar levels. Fenugreek may be beneficial for women managing diabetes or insulin resistance. The seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugars in the bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood glucose levels. Some studies suggest that fenugreek can improve insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Including fenugreek in meals or as a supplement may help prevent spikes in blood sugar. However, it's important to monitor blood sugar levels when using fenugreek alongside medications.